The Super Stearman. It was an Army trainer before World War II, an airshow star afterwards, and now it's a compact, almost ready-to-fly electric from Electrofly. At just 36 inches across the wingtips, it's very easy to take to your favorite flying spot. And you can have it in the air fast because it's designed for easy assembly. The airframe is largely pre-built with gleaming monocoat film already applied over an all-wood airframe. It also has painted fiberglass parts. The Super Stearman offers many other time savers too. A self-aligning fin and stabilizer, pre-hinged ailerons, a magnetic cowl keyed for easy align and lock attachments, a factory-installed replica radial engine, formed and painted cabanes and struts, and a magnetic hatch hidden by painted pilot busts and dual windscreens. But assembly ease and realistic looks are just part of the story. With the Super Stearman, the real story is about performance. The airframe is built for brushless power, and with the recommended motor, ESC, and battery on board, the Super Stearman will deliver air show quality aerobatics on demand, from simple inverted flights to Cuban 8s, Immelmans, knife edge, tumbling maneuvers, and more. The Super Stearman. It's a great way to enjoy easy assembly at home and the best in spectacular aerobatics almost anywhere.